Today is the first day of Kai Gong, and usually on the first day of working, when you come back with a lot of positive energy, it will define the whole year. So I want everybody to continue with the momentum of the horse to ride this auspicious year of the fire horse. Let's do it together. Hang on! Ara!
I want to congratulate ERA for its resounding success in 2025. It was really an opportunity to partner, the privilege to also do more, not just as a company, but for our community that all of you are a big part of in Toa Payoh Central. So ERA, as neighbours, you all have shown what it means to be a good neighbour. And I'm very heartened to see how this is really exemplary in what we want to see in the Singapore spirit.